Microphone full lecture. The history of RezaPahlavi and modern Iran. Introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will explore the life and historical significance of RezaPahlavi, the former crown prince of Iran, and understand the broader political and social transformations of Iran in the 20th and 21st centuries. To understand RezaPahlavi, we must first understand Iran itself, a country with a rich civilization, a strategic geopolitical position, and a turbulent modern history shaped by monarchy, revolution, and ideological conflict. Part 1. The origins of the Pahlavi dynasty. The story begins with Reza Pahlavi's grandfather, Reza Shah Pahlavi. In 1925, Reza Shah established the Pahlavi dynasty after overthrowing the Qajar dynasty. His rule was marked by strong centralization, modernization efforts, and attempts to secularize Iran. He built infrastructure, modern schools, and tried to reduce foreign influence. However, his authoritarian style and alignment during World War II led to his forced abdication in 1941. Part 2. The rule of Mohammad Reza Shah. After Reza Shah, his son Mohammad Reza Pahlavi became the Shah of Iran. His reign lasted from 1941 to 1979 and was one of the most significant periods in Iran's modern history. Key developments: Westernization and modernization, strong alliance with the United States, economic growth fueled by oil revenues. However, his rule was also criticized for political repression, lack of democratic freedom, the use of secret police. Savak. Part 3. The 1953 coup. One crucial event was the 1953 Iranian coup d'état. Prime Minister Mohammad Mossadegh had nationalized Iran's oil industry, which angered Britain and the United States. In response, a coup was orchestrated, removing Mossadegh and strengthening the Shah's power. This event created long-lasting distrust among Iranians toward Western powers. Part 4. Birth and early life of Reza Pahlavi. Reza Pahlavi was born on October 31, 1960. As the eldest son of the Shah, he was declared crown prince at a young age. He was educated both in Iran and abroad, including military training in the United States. From an early age, he was prepared to become the future king of Iran. Part 5. The Iranian Revolution of 1979. The most defining moment came with the Iranian Revolution. Due to widespread dissatisfaction with the Shah's rule, protests erupted across Iran. These protests included religious groups led by Ruhollah Khomeini, secular intellectuals, students, and workers. In 1979, the Shah left Iran, and the monarchy collapsed. Iran became an Islamic republic under Ayatollah Khomeini. Part 6. Exile and transformation. After the revolution, Reza Pahlavi and his family went into exile. They moved across several countries before eventually settling in the United States. At just 17 years old, Reza Pahlavi lost his position as crown prince and his homeland. This exile shaped his political thinking and future role. Part 7. Life in exile. Unlike many former royal figures, Reza Pahlavi did not disappear from public life. Instead, he redefined himself as a political activist advocating for democracy in Iran, human rights, secular governance. He has repeatedly stated that he does not insist on restoring monarchy, but supports whatever system the Iranian people choose through a democratic process. Part 8. Political vision. Reza Pahlavi's political vision includes separation of religion and state, free elections, freedom of speech, gender equality. He has criticized the current Iranian government and called for peaceful change. Part 9. Role in modern Iranian politics. Although he does not hold formal power, Reza Pahlavi remains a symbolic figure. Among Iranians, Some support him as a future leader, others oppose monarchy entirely. Many see him as one of several opposition voices. His influence is mainly among diaspora communities and opposition groups. Part 10. Criticism and challenges. RezaPahlavi faces several criticisms. Association with the Shah's authoritarian regime, limited direct influence inside Iran, divisions among opposition groups. Despite this, he continues to remain active. Part 11. Recent activities. In recent years, RezaPahlavi has spoken about protests in Iran, called for international support for Iranian people, engaged with global media. He positions himself as a unifying figure for a democratic Iran. Conclusion. RezaPahlavi's life represents a bridge between two eras of Iran: the monarchy of the 20th century, the struggle for democracy in the 21st century. His story is not just about a prince without a throne, but about identity, exile, and political transformation. Whether he will play a future role in Iran remains uncertain, but his name continues to carry historical and political significance.